Are you tired of messy folders and disorganized files? What if I told you there is a simple way to rename, organize and manage your files with just a few clicks? In this video, I will show you how to create a powerful file organizer using DeepSeek. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this tool will save you hours of manual work. Let's dive in. Now let's enter DeepSeek website and an online notepad to make our initial draft for the script. Now I am writing the script. This is the initial draft that I will fix the spelling error with DeepSeek later. I am adding some button and interface details and what function I want. For example, I want prefix, suffix, remove, file sequential renaming, bug renaming, file organizing. That's why I need separate functionable button and some box. This will work like software, and I am mentioning what file formats and how the file will be subfolder and how they will be organized. You see there are lots of error in my script. I mean spelling error and some understanding. So I will put this into the DeepSeek and ask it to fix the spelling error and improve my writing and instructions. What DeepSeek will do, it will let's paste my script, and now it will fix my spelling error and what I was struggling to make it understand. It will now better reasonable power, so it will grab what I am trying to understand. I asked it to fix the error and it also write the full script. Now to run this script you need Python installed on your PC. If you don't have Python installed, go to Python official website and download the version. Now let's go to command prompt, cmd, press Windows R and type cmd and enter. Now you are in the command terminal and you need to enter the pipe install string star and hit enter. You see it's asking me to update my Python file, so I am copying and hit enter. Now it will update my Python program. Now let's try again to install the tinter. I think I have installed it before. Now let's directly copy the code. Now open a text file or notepad, give it a name, paste the script and save as, give a name without a space and .py, short form for Python, and text file, type all files and save it in desktop. Now let's run the script, double click. You see my program is ready. Let's see how it is working. For the purpose I will keep my file explorer side by side to check if it is working or if it has any problem. The first box is for prefix. Let's try it. Sorry. Okay, it's working. You see the test name has been inputted correctly. Now the second box is suffix. There is a problem, I think. Now see, the file format has been changed because I made some mistake in the command. No worry, I will fix it. You see the suffix has been put inside after the end of file extension. That's why it's creating the problem. Now I am using the remove button and it's working fine, but still there are lots of problem in this script. We will fix it. You see the organizing button is also working fine. So far there is problem with suffix button and rename button, which we will fix again with DeepSeek. Now see, it has organized my files correctly as I instructed it, and now I will again ask to fix the problem in the script. I said the script is working fine. Little bit of request. I asked is to mention the prefix and suffix name because it was not visible, so anyone will not understand what box function for what. So it is updating my script. Let's see how this work. Now copy this and go to again notepad, paste, save as, give a name and with .py extension, that is for Python, and file type all files, then save it. Now our script is ready again. Now let's check it. You see there is a huge improvement. Now the prefix, suffix and remove text is also visible, and the color is also changed, which I asked. Now let's see how it works. To understand, let's sort by list so you can better understand and see how the change takes. You see the prefix is working fine. Now the removing function, it also working nice. Now let's see the suffix that were not correct previously. Okay, now my file extension is not spoiled and damaged, so it's working fine. I mean, we asked to put the suffix before the file extension name. You see, each one of my file extension is preserved. Now rename all. Okay, now let's see, the files have been renamed but the file extension has been damaged. Now let's ask to fix this problem. The problem is we will ask it to rename in such a way that file extension is remain preserved. So it is working again to give me the updated script. I will put all the prompts, conversational steps in the comment of this video. So please check the pinned comment or the first comment, or check the description if you don't see in the comment box. Now let's again save the final updated script. Give it a name without a space .py and file type all files. Save it anywhere. I am saving it in desktop. Now let's run for the final moment. Okay. Now as you can see, last time our prefix, suffix, file organizing and removing function was very good. There was a problem with the rename all section. Now let's see. Wow, this time it worked perfectly and it didn't change the file name, file extension, rather it only changed the file sequentially. If you think you got some value from my video, please hit the subscribe button and push the notification button so that you don't miss my next video.